Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? In today's videos we are going to do, ready? Unboxing Louis Vuitton. And before I get to that part, if this is the first time you watch my YouTube channel, I want to take about 30-40 seconds to explain to you what is my channel is about. I consider myself a lifestyle blogger, meaning that we are living in a world that we experience and facing different things in life and different challenges or roadblock. And being a human, it is very important that you find solutions so you can move forward to the next step. And my channel will provide you, I wouldn't say wisdoms, but I definitely provide you some of my experience, how to come solution mindset and to face different challenges or roadblocks out there. Also, being part of our life, especially my life, I love luxury items. So I do lots of different Louis Vuitton unboxing and bag review. I have some small collection of Chanel and Hermes. So I do different types of review on those areas. Also, I do, what else do I do? Traveling, because my job, I travel a lot. However, currently due to the COVID-19, I'm not traveling. But if you want to get out but you can't get out and you worry about getting out, check out my travel video. I have a lot of travel video. We're talking about travel to Asia, to Europe, even to Disneyland. That's where I live. So definitely check out my YouTube channel and subscribe my YouTube video channel, because I have a video once a week. And once you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so this way you'll be the first to know my video go on live. Okay, let's get started this video. Oh my goodness. So okay, so this is gonna be kind of like a half unboxing, because this one I already opened it, but I never filmed a YouTube video, but I want to do it right now. And then this is the one I just received yesterday, so I want to show. So let's open a small one first, okay? Oh my god, look at this small box. If you follow my Instagram, you already know what this is, because I've been putting this on my social media a lot. It's so adorable. This is the Louis Vuitton envelope, and this is the receipt. And I purchased this through my my CA. Wait, they call it CA now, I think. Oh, yeah, client advisor, CA. And she's based in San Francisco. And so this is the receipt. Let me make sure I don't have to cover everything else. So this is the receipt. And it is really hard to go to a store now because the COVID-19 in the US, a lot of stores close. Or if you go to the store, there's a huge line, you gotta wait for a couple hours. So I never really buy stuff without looking them I never really order online without looking at actual product. So this, lately I've been doing that a lot. I'm kind of like, wow, it's a really good experience. So far, I love everything I purchased. Bad influence. Oh, by the way, if you don't want to be influenced by me and fall in love with a different luxury item, definitely don't look at my YouTube channel, because I'm such a bad influence. Yeah, I will influence you to buy stuff you don't need. Just remember that. Alright, so take a look at this. Oh, this is the brand new design for Louis Vuitton. It's a Nano Nice. I think that's a Nice. Oh, please. Let me make sure I say that right. Nano Nice. Sorry. Nice. Nice is this one. Okay. This is the Nano Nice. And this is the smallest one right here. So I don't need to tell you the sizes, because I think it's kind of like, what's the point give you the measurement, but you can just get an idea, right? So this is my palm. It fits right here. See that? It is very small. But don't let the size fool you though, because it actually holds a lot of stuff. And let me show you here. See that? Look inside. It's actually very roomy. And this is the product information. Nice Nano Min. That's the info right here in case you need that. And this particular bag is made in Italy. It's really simple. It's just like a cosmetic trend case. This Nice, they have 3 different sizes, just the smallest one. And a lot of people use this for different purpose, but I'm using this as a crossbody bag. And I'm going to show you some picture right here how I decorate this bag. It is so cute. So first thing what I did is that I found like this type of design, I don't want the inside to get really dirty. So I ordered, this is by Samorga. It's a very popular bag insert. I ordered this, it's shipped from Korea, and so this fit right in here. So I don't damage the interior with the bag, right? And then, how am I gonna make this to crossbody? I mean, people have a different way to do it. So, this is actually my iTrunk, my iPhone Louis Vuitton case. It comes with a little strap. So I basically can put this here. And let me show you guys. I was wrong, sorry. This is my soft trunk, I think Louis Vuitton soft trunk strap. And I just put this right here, I'll show you guys. I put the hook right over here. You see that? Okay, I mean, you're not gonna carry something super heavy duty anyway, so this is gonna be fine. It won't damage the bag. Plus, it's a very reasonable price for Louis Vuitton. I'm always so scared to talk about pricing because some people always say, are you kidding me? It's very expensive. Well, it is very expensive, but in the Louis Vuitton family, this is actually not bad at all. Look at how cute is this now. See that? So definitely crossbody, that's what I've been using. And there's one more thing I want to share with you. I ordered this online. I forgot the company name. I'll put a link below. So I basically, I'll show you now. Hold on. You know, bag now, it's all about customize with your style, your characters, right? So I can do it like this way. It's also very cute. It adds a lot of different character to the bag now. So I'm about 5'7", okay, so you can see if I do this, the bag is sitting right over here. Hold on, I need to get on my chair. This is so weird. So the bag is sitting right here, but I'll definitely show you a picture how the bag look on me. It's definitely doable. I also think that if you want to invest in Louis Vuitton, you really don't want to spend thousands of dollars because all the crossbody bag, it can be very expensive. So you can be creative, you know, order something like this small, and you may not have the Louis Vuitton strap, but who cares? You can get strap like this anywhere right now on Ipsy or Amazon. So it doesn't matter. So you can just put it here and make your own. So I think that, you know, just being creative and you can make your dream come true. And let me show you something here. There is a Louis Vuitton print on the top right here. And one more thing I want to show is the base has no leg. So you're just going to put on the table like that. But what do you think about this? Isn't this a totally cute or what? Absolutely love it. I've been using this a lot, as I told you that before already. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. This is the new one I just bought. I mean, I actually paid for this particular bag about over a month now, and I just got it yesterday. But by the time the video release, it will be maybe a week or two later. So this is the box right here. This is the Louis Vuitton. I also ordered this from my CA from San Francisco, Tiffany. Thank you so much. So this is the receipt again. Let me show you. Again, for Louis Vuitton, this is actually pretty. So sorry to say, it's actually not a crazy price. So this is the. Let me cover that. This is the receipt right here. But this one, there's a lot of receipt. It's actually a store inside the Bloomingdale. I usually like to shop at the boutique because there's a much more selections. But now most of the boutiques are closed due to the COVID-19. The only ones open is in Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. I was there last week. I waited in line for an hour and a half. I just give up. And normally I don't need to wait in the line. I have an SA, but now all my good SA left. I only have one left, but she's in San Francisco, so it's not helping me. All right, let's not talk about that. This is the new one. Oh my god, this is also a brand new design. I'm so happy I got this. Okay, let me show you guys right now. This is so cute. Brand new design. Can you guess what is this? Let me show you. So as you can see, it's something small again. Lately, I've been buying a lot of nano bag. I don't know why. I just found I like the smaller bag now rather than the big old bag. So, okay, let me show you. Are you ready? Oh, this is the brand new Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat. I think that's how you pronounce it. They do have this one in a really large toe. They have that for over, I don't know, at least 20, 25 years. So this is the nano version. Just take it all in. Look at how cute is this. Gonna see the base. There's no leg, but you know. And how they make the back here, they actually stitch so out Steve, focus. They actually sew the pieces, two-piece material together like this. You can see that. Make it closer. See it? So that's actually really, really nice. Immediately I noticed something here, the patina right here. It's almost look like it's being aged a little bit. So let me show you a sample. This is the Nano Speedy I recently purchased about a month ago. You see how light the patina right here? And look how dark is this. So I don't know if I like a darker color or do I like a lighter color. I think it's a personal preference. Let me know which color patina do you like. I found that if it's already been aged a little bit, it will get less chance to get damaged. That's how I look at it. So, all right. So what else is in here? It comes with a strap. This is a big deal because I have the Nano Speedy. I wish the strap can be removable, or the Nano Nice, the strap is not removable. But the new one of a Petit Sac is a removable strap. So let me show you. The patina is also kind of darker color, so I'm going to show you guys that. It's weird that you can see a difference. See that? Okay. And let me show you something here. They did something very unique. So you see the handle right here, right? There's a little additional hook. So you can put your strap on both sides right here. Technically, if you do that, you're not really pulling the base. But honestly, I don't think that really matters because it's like, how heavy can you put stuff in here? So this is all gold hardware. Oh my God, okay, let's try this on now. And it actually fit right over here. So I'm pretty sure by the time I release the video, I have a picture. So I'm gonna show you a picture right here. If I don't, you can see my style picture on my Instagram, Mr. J1, so you can check it out. But this is so cute though. What do you guys think about this? It is so adorable. Let me see something here. Okay, so inside, this is an interesting design though. So this is the kind of like a big pocket, right? There is a slot that you can put your credit cards. But this thing actually open and pull it out like this. And this one is made in Spain. Let's see. Yeah. And this pocket right here is pretty deep. How deep the pocket? Let me give you an idea. This is the iPhone X. It actually fits all the way in there. So it's actually pretty good though. Most likely, I'm debating that do I want to buy a bag insert to put in here because it's already so narrow. If I put a bag insert, I don't know if this is going to make the bag even smaller. Let me know your thought. What should I do? So now let me put something here to give you an idea how much this will fit in here. Okay, see the phone? 100% fit in right here. So I definitely think that I can use this really good. Obviously your hand will not fit through the handle. It's really meant for crossbody or handle from the hands. And I already think about I'm going to decorate this. I'm so cheap because I only have one of this accessory chain. They are not that cheap though, so I don't want to buy too many. But now I found that it's very annoying that every time I want to add this, I had to remove this from different bag. Let me show you this little thing right here. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And obviously I can interchange the chain strap with this too. So so this is my video today. I want to share with you the two new items I recently bought from Louis Vuitton. So now I'm very proud to share with you I have 4 Nano collections. I'm really speechless. So again, you kind of see that I have the Nano Nice, Nano Nice. Is that right? Yeah, Nano Nice, Nano Speedy, and now I have the Nano Petit Plate. So let me know if you want to see a detailed review on this 4 bag, what fits in here, how I've been using them, how I decorate them. Leave a comment below. I'll definitely make a video for you guys. I want to share something with you. When I look at this thinking, oh my god, how much have I spent? But when I add the prices together, this is less than buying a Chanel. So I feel much more better. That's what I usually told myself. Next time I'm going to say, oh, this is much more cheaper than buying Birkin. Yep. See, I told you I'm such a bad influence. Alright, I want to say thank you so much. Definitely check out my Instagram account. I have 2. Mr. Jen One is all really focused on fashion, luxury, and travel. Skin by Steve Jen is all about skincare. Like I said, I have a lot of experience. So if you're into skincare, check it out, and I reply on my Instagram a lot. And one last thing, I change my hair a lot. I wear different wigs all the time. So if you see me different color, it's fake, it's not real. Just want to share that with you. Alright, thank you so much again. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!